What's up, everybody? Rudy here. And guess what I did? Check it out. Look at that. Tokyo Disneyland in the background there. I went ahead and splurged. Paid 9,700 yen, roughly $65, to go to Disneyland one last time here in Tokyo. Mainly just to go on Splash Mountain one last time, but you know, I'm gonna enjoy as much as I can for the next 4 hours before we hop on a plane and go back to California. So let's have some fun. Since I'm not rushing today, I want to focus a little bit more on some of the details, like the little posters walking in. I was kind of looking for the "Here you enter the world of tomorrow, yesterday, and fantasy" post, like sign before you walk under the arches. Yeah, I'm not sure they have it here. I'm guessing it would be on one of these, but I don't see it. And it is Halloween time, like I said before, so we got some Halloween stuff out as well. Oh man, check out their penny arcade. It's like an actual arcade. This is gonna be a little bit of a rushed experience, but I really want to get in as much as I can. Now that I'm by myself, you know, I was trying to hang out with the family mostly the other day, so this is more of like a, you know, I'm gonna nerd out a little bit more today, but in a hurry. Just a quick flyby of the partner statue. It's got the opening day speech there on the plaque. We got lots of great little photo opportunities around here. How cool is it? Little scarecrow Mickey and Minnie. I love this place. It's like way crazy how early people start lining up for parades here. You could see even in the rain, it's kind of not a heavy rain, but people are already starting to pick their spots for the parade later today. Hours from now. Here we are at the Snow White Wishing Well. It's on the left side of the castle here in Tokyo Disney, but I didn't get the chance to come over here and hear Snow White sing to me, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Another thing unique here is that being that the way Main Street is set up the way it is, it looks like the Main Street vehicles cruise all the way around the park, like down Frontierland into Fantasyland. There's some more people lined up for the parade over there. That's wild to me. Alright, Critter Country it is. Appears to be a Splash Mountain themed restaurant there too, so I might poke my head in there and see what that looks like too. I'm so obsessed with this ride. I just love it so much.
Ho, 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 boy, are we in luck. We're visiting our laughing place. Yuck, 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 yuck.
I was able to get a premiere pass. It cost me $10, and I was able to get on in 10 minutes, which is going to increase my time here to roam around. There's a place right here where they have that little statue of Brer Bear and Brer Rabbit, but it's all blocked off. It's like the old photo pass or photo station for your photos from the drop. So I can't get a shot of it, but they're sitting there behind this hedge or ledge or foliage. Oh, look it. Who is this? Thumper's over here. I might get a chance to meet some characters. The way the character meet and greets work here is they come to you. That's awesome. Yeah, just real quick. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. How cute. I love it. There we go. That's the shot I was waiting for right there. So I did come down into the kitchen real quick just to check it out. It does appear to be Splash themed-ish. There's nothing actually in here with Brer Bear and Brer Rabbit, but the whole thing is playing the Splash Mountain music, and it's like the aesthetic is exactly the same. So just wanted to show it real quick. It's like 2 stories, huge dining area, pretty cool little spot, super chill. So that's it. Just wanted to show it. It's awesome. Look how everything ties together here. You got Splash Mountain, Mark Twain, and the Western Railroad all in one spot. And then you got this guy over here waving at everybody all at the same time. This is a little seating area right outside of the restaurant I was showing you. The theming is all tied in. And then there's this seating area out here where you could just watch it all happen. I love this. I love it. And on the other side, they got this sort of like small little town tucked away here, or like just this little cove with the little boat, probably for like Brer Bear or something, or Brer Rabbit or something. And then, you know, all the little creatures living in the walls and stuff, the little doors. So much more theming than any other place I've seen as far as this goes. Like Florida didn't even have this. Thank you. By the way, the Indian is here in Frontierland at this party. I was very tempted to stand in line and go on another ride today, but I think I'm just gonna cruise around, shop a little merch, see what I can see. I also wanted to come over here real quick and check out the shooting gallery. Oh my God, there's a line for the shooting gallery here. That's wild. There's a freaking line for the shooting gallery here. You'll never see that back home. There's some more characters here. It's like King Louie, and I don't even know who that is. Look at that. She's got the plushie. Look. That's funny. Yeah, that's right. What's up? That's funny. That's funny. Hell yeah. Very cool. I just scored. I was told that they didn't have any merchandise of Splash Mountain here, but I just found this pin. It's only $10 for this pin, so that's coming home with me for sure. Had to stop real quick and show this. We got this right at the entrance or exit to Adventureland is the Swiss Family Robinson treehouse. They've got this really cool little, you know, river area set up with the treehouse in the background. Unfortunately, it's closed right now. It's been closed for a while from what I hear, but just wanted to show that. We got hitchhiking droids here. That's original. Look at them. I love that. And of course this guy. First of all, that was awesome. And the ride system seemed to be a little smoother. It could have been my imagination. Second of all, this is a super small Tomorrowland, like tiny. Third of all, check out their pizza port. But check out the ambiance in here. Look, the whole thing's set up where he's controlling all these contraptions here, and there's the cheese and I don't know, the pepperoni and whatnot, and you can see the pizza on a conveyor belt. So he's over here just entertaining, cooking, the whole deal. This is a cool little find right here. I had no idea this existed. How fun is that? I guess I shouldn't say it's that small, but it's kind of small. You got to consider too that they've cut off a big portion of it because of the construction of Space Mountain. All right. Unfortunately, that's all the time I'm gonna have for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the hotel so we can leave. But check that out, we got Winnie the Pooh here and Rabbit. I love the way they do characters here. It's so great. So that's it. We made the most of it. But we gotta get to the airport. Just arrived here at the Tokyo, what's this one called? Haneda. And they're just showing off now. It's not right. It's beautiful in here. And listen how quiet it is. Just wanted to show that real quick. We took a shuttle, so it was very nice and convenient. Everybody came in one van, heading home. All right, we've made it in through security. First thing we see is a Louis Vuitton here. It's a fancy airport. I'm trying to get into Susan and Fred's lounge right now. So that's the next stop, hopefully. Check out this map and like timeline schedule thing. It's like it's touch screen. Tells you where you are, what it is, open and close. That's wild. Never seen that before. Okay, so see this little machine right here? It's a wheel station, so it's mobility service.
Yeah, it is.
So it's for somebody like my mom.
Yeah.
But you sit in it, you tell it your destination, and it just takes you there. We just saw somebody riding it. It literally, you just sit in it, and
To all passengers who need help getting around.
and it takes you to your destination. Like it's automated.
That is so cool.
All right, we got in the lounge. Cool little.
That's nice.
You serve yourself here. They got all these different beverages. Huge lounge. You just lounge out in. What's this lounge called?
It's called the Sakura Lounge.
The Sakura Lounge, and this is just the bottom floor. It's a Japanese airline that's partners with American Airlines. It's a full coffee machine too, and then even beer on tap. This is fancy. I went out for a little walk to try and find a gluten-free restaurant, and I stumbled across this Pikachu vending machine. Not super into Pikachu, but I still thought it was fun, so I just wanted to show it real quick. This is pretty dope too. Look at these waiting chairs by this terminal. They're like recliners, like beach chairs or something. I'm loving this. Also a exclusive Disney store vending machine here, and I think I'm gonna take advantage of it. Oh, look at that. Comes in a little bag and everything. That's awesome. Wow. So it's Mickey in a kimono It says Japan Disney Store. It's basically a keychain. I saw everybody hanging stuff like this on their bags at the parks. I'm a sucker, what can I say? I was able to find gluten-free beef skewers. Basically they were able to cook it for me with just salt and pepper, and then I got some of my gluten-free soy sauce left that I brought with me from home. Just gonna pour that on there, and I'm golden. Gotta have my protein. Alright, and we're off. We ended up splurging a little bit on premium economy on the way back, so we got a little bit of extra leg room here, which is nice. They gave us a little amenities bag and some, what is this, headphones, and I don't know what else is in there. We'll have to find out later. Look at these fancy seats. Just bigger. Something I also forgot to show on the last flight. I got this kind of unique little neck pillow thing. It's called a turtle. It wraps around your neck so you can kind of lean your head on it. I'll show it to you when I'm putting it on to use it. Hold on. So what's it got in there? Show me.
Headphones for the TV.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people don't have this plug anymore, you know?
Yeah.
Nice little
little neck pillow. Sweet.
And then a little blankie.
Alright. And the tray tables here on the side, and then the TV comes out from the front here. Sweet little setup.
Yeah, there's the remote.
Yeah, the remote's on the side.
Now you love the upgrade.
Yeah. We did upgrade, like I said, to premium economy. And I am lounging out right now. It's even got like a little footrest to like perch my feet on underneath here. Meals come out. I'm pretty sure it's gluten-free. Risotto. Like a chicken salad type thing. Looks like, I don't know what that's, some kind of dessert. What is this? Oh, I definitely can't eat that. Some kind of like cake. There you go. Yeah, I was not able to eat the last meal due to concerns that I would be sick the entire flight. But they did bring a second meal. I got coffee, eggs, hash browns, salad, some like mushrooms. And I don't care if I get sick. I'm starving to death, so I'm gonna eat this one for sure. The flight was great. My turtleneck pillow worked great. And it was a good experience. Currently about 2 hours away. So I'll see you on the ground. So good to be back.